Suppose you have a raw edge here and you want to attach this to another layer. You can do this in two ways. The first one is a raw edge running stitch. What you'll do is you're going to start from the top or from the bottom, it doesn't really matter. You're going to go in, decide on your bite size, let's say 1/4 for now. Take a bite and pull your thread. And for the next stitch, you're just going to move straight down like so, the same size as you took a bite just now. So that's 1/4. And you're going to go right underneath where the needle came out. And again, go through all layers, take 1/4 bite size and pull your thread. So for the next stitch, again, you're going to go up right in front of the thread, through all layers, bite size 1/4, and pull through. And if you repeat, this is what you're going to end up with. Now, I am a big fan of this stitch because it's very efficient. It holds and draws the two layers together, it overlocks, and it's quite strong. It's actually the same stitch as you would do like the cross stitch or the catch stitch, but instead of moving from left to right, you're moving just from right to left, the same direction as you're sewing. And so it gives less movement, it allows for less movement than the cross stitch. Now, the other one is the raw edge felling stitch, and that one goes like the following. So suppose we start from the bottom and we take a bite like so, and this is our starting point. Instead of going up and forwards, you're going to go up and you're going to go diagonally forwards, which means that you're going to go downwards and forwards until you're again in front of this point where the thread is coming out. And you're going to pull. So it looks similar from the top, but from behind it looks completely different. Like so. So now you would say, well, this is exactly the same stitch. But when you look from behind, you can see the difference. Here you have horizontal rows of stitching, and here you have diagonal rows of stitching. I think the raw edge running stitch is a lot stronger and a lot more efficient and easier to perform as well at the same time. So now you know how to do a raw edge felling or a raw edge running stitch.